Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Affirm to your bank after refunds, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from Affirm to your bank after receiving refunds, start by logging into your Affirm account. Once logged in, navigate to the payments section of your dashboard. Here, look for any recent refunds that have been processed. Click on the refund transaction to view its details. Ensure the refund amount is reflected in your Affirm balance. Next, check if your bank account is linked to your Affirm account. If not, go to the Settings section and select Bank Account. Follow the prompts to add your bank information securely. Once your bank account is linked, return to the Payments section. Locate the option for withdrawing funds. Select the amount you wish to transfer to your bank. Confirm the withdrawal and review any potential fees associated. Submit your request. You should receive a confirmation message once your withdrawal is processed. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transferred funds, which typically arrive within a few business days. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Affirm's customer support for assistance. Stay informed about your transaction status through your Affirm account notifications. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw funds from Affirm to your bank after refunds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.